Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall NordVPN app and clear network adapters. To uninstall the NordVPN app, begin by closing the application if it is currently running. Locate the Start menu on your Windows taskbar. Click on the Start menu and type Add or Remove Programs into the search bar. Select the Add or Remove Programs option from the search results. In the list of installed applications, scroll down to find NordVPN. Click on NordVPN to highlight it. An Uninstall button will appear. Click on this button. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the uninstallation. Once the uninstallation is complete, restart your computer to ensure all components are removed. Next, to clear your network adapters, press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously. In the Run dialog box, type npa.cpl and hit Enter. This will open the Network Connections window. Identify the network adapters that are associated with NordVPN. Right-click on each NordVPN-related adapter. Select Disable from the context menu. Next, right-click again and choose Delete for each of these adapters. After removing the adapters, close the Network Connections window. Now, press the Windows key and type Device Manager into the search bar. Open the Device Manager from the search results. Locate the Network Adapters section and expand it. Right-click on your primary network adapter and select Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstallation in the pop-up window. After the process completes, restart your computer once more. Your network will automatically reinstall the necessary network drivers upon reboot. Once your computer has restarted, your network adapters will now be refreshed and any remnants of NordVPN should be cleared. This concludes the process of uninstalling the NordVPN app and clearing your network adapters. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.